Come to lie face down on a bench at a gentle incline. Extend the dumbbells down towards the floor. Grip the floor with the feet, hip, chest, chin. And we're going to gently pull those dumbbells up next to us. Elbows trying to touch behind our back gently. Then we're going to slowly lower them with gravity and extend forward gently. Then return back to elbows trying to touch behind the back. Perform 12 to 20 reps, slowly taking them with gravity and gently pulling back up. Breath will exhale as the weights go straight forward and gently pull back and inhale. Remember not to let the neck crank back, or try not to let the tailbone tip out or arch the back. Be careful not to squeeze the upper traps and shoulders, trying to focus on pulling the shoulder blades and elbows back and down while the dumbbells touch the shoulder head. At the end of 12 to 20 reps, drop the dumbbells back to the floor safely.